Namaste students, this is JVM Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. Paper name is Binomial Nomenclature Taxonomy. Students, so far we have seen nearly 10 families description. Okay, we were running in dicot families description. In continuation of that lecture, today's topic is Araceae family. Today we will study floral description, vegetative description, economic importance of the plants of Araceae family. So let's start with habitat. The plants of this family are terrestrial. You can see in images. This is the first one image is Symplocarpus, that is skunk cabbage. Second is Erythema triphyllum, that is jack in the pulpit. These are the two plants which are belonging to this family, has terrestrial habitat. Some of the plants of this family have aquatic habitat, जैसे Orontium, that is also known as golden club, Lemna trisulca, that is star duckweed. These are the plants are aquatic. Some of the plants are shrub. Example is Aglaonema. Some of them are vines. With example Syngonium podophyllum. Now about roots. Roots are often mycorrhizal without root hairs. Means there is a association of roots with fungal components. Now stems. Stems are rhizomatous, carmose, tuberous or reduced, can be aerial, creeping, subterranean or oppressed, climbing. They are frequently scandent, rarely erect, hardened and armed, are not differentiated into stem or leaf. Since most of the plants are aquatic, creeping, that's why such type of modifications are found in the plants of this family. First image is Colocasia esculenta, which is very familiar to you people, and I hope second and third plants you also know. Now leaves. Leaves are simple, bifacial, spiral or distichar, sometimes highly divided or fenescrate, often exhibiting heteroblasty with parallel, penny-parallel or netted venation. Since they are dicot, so they should have such type of venation. By seeing images, you can understand these plants are ornamental and you might have seen somewhere around you. Now inflorescence is terminal, many flowered spadix with stellate apical portion in some, usually subtended by a prominent, often colored spathe or reduced. Now flower, small, bisexual or unisexual, female flower often proximal and the male distal on the spadix, actinomorphic sessile, ebracteate, hypogynous, sometimes foul smelling. This is the unique feature of this family that plants have very bad smell. Now perianth is biseriate. They may be 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 3 are absent. Apotepalus are basically syntepalus or hypanthodium absent. By image you can understand how long perianth they have. Now stamen 4, 6 or 8 in number, distinct or connate, antipetalous, bisexual flower. Anthers are poricidal, longitudinal or transverse in dehiscence when they liberate. Gynoecium syncarpus with a superior ovary, 3 carpels, usually as many locules as carpels. Style and stigma 1 and short are absent. Placentation is variable. Ovules are usually anatropous and bitecmic. So these are the description of this family. Thank you very much.